Turns out the transmission I got out of that Explorer ended up being a bust. I put it in the 6x6, and I wasn't able to find neutral or drive. So here, let me show you what I got going on here. I got the case side off of the transmission, and right now it's I got neutral. This is neutral. Now if I put it in drive, she locks up. The shaft doesn't turn, nothing. So I've been trying to figure out what's been going on. I found out this bushing right here is locked up. So I'm guessing the one on the other side is, I mean, this should spin. So there's something going on with this shaft that's not allowing me to do what I wanted to do. So what I did was I took the clip off of the shaft, and I'm going to pull this out, and I'm going to pull this shaft off. And after I get this removed, all you do is you just pull this up, and this should just pop out. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get this on camera or not. Might be a little trick, because normally this comes off, and then this comes off. So we'll see what happens. But I got my box extra parts right there. So I'm going to go ahead and tear one of these down and rebuild it. And I'll, if you check out my channel, I actually have a video of me tearing down a Polaris Scrambler transmission. This is all pretty similar. So if you want to see how I'm doing this, check out my channel. And I go through in detail how to rip this apart. I'm not going to go through that right now, because that might be a long video. And I'm going to get this bad boy back together and throw it in the 6x6, and we'll get her running. Like I said, sometimes when you buy used parts, you never know what you're getting.